Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the function. What is function and how to find out domain and range. Either the function is quadratic function or the function is linear function. So range means the value of y and domain is the value of x. So when you have given the equation, all the value of x is known as the domain, and basis on that the value of y you will get, that is your range. So here the question is find the range of g of x, right? So what we will see, x is a square here, that means it is quadratic function, and you know that any number is square, that is either it is positive or it is negative, will be the positive. So what will be your y here? Y is greater than 2. So therefore our range is g of x, that is greater than and equal to 2. Now we will see one more example, right? So this is the quadratic function again. So if we will see that x squared minus 4. So this is our function, right? And here it is given for x, where x belongs to real numbers. So all the real numbers will be domain here. Understood? Now we have to find out the range. Again, if you will see that if it is x squared, so that means what? Either you will square the negative number or positive number, it will be positive only. So here we have the minus 4, that means all the range will be greater than negative 4, right? So here what we will write? F of x will be greater than or equal to negative 4. Yes, that is your range now. Okay, in this way, hope you will understand what is domain and what is range. In next video, I will explain some more examples and what is composite function and how to find out this. So please subscribe the channel